welcome to my channel. My name is Princess and thank you for joining me for another video today. So today's video, I'm gonna try to keep it real short, sweet, and simple to the point. I'm gonna be sharing a new beauty subscription that I just found out about. It is called Kiss Me by Glam. And the way this subscription works, or the type of subscription that it is it's strictly lippies. Every month you get 3 lip products. They come in different finishes, they're different colors, they may have themed packaging. They come in these really pretty little satin bags that I'm going to show you in just a second. And it's $19.99. Now I will have links and other information about this subscription in my subscription box below, as well as a promo code that you can use to get 1 free lippy when you sign up for the subscription. So it comes with 3 lippies. If you sign up and you use the promo code, I'm going to put it here on the screen, and I also have it in the description box below, you'll get an extra lippy. So you'll get 4 lippies in your first bag, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. I'm a little tired, so y'all bear with me. So the reason that I have a bare face, oh, I'm sorry, not a bare face. I told y'all I was tired. The reason I have a made-up face and bare lips, that's what I was trying to say, is because I'm going to go ahead and do some lip swatches for you guys. But first, let's look at the packaging, okay? So the lippies that I'm about to show you came in the March bag. Yeah, March bag. By the time you see this video, it'll already be April, so these colors will no longer be available. They come out with different colors and different themes every month, and from what I understand, they never repeat a color. Also, these lippies come in different finishes. They are glosses, they can be mattes, they can be satins, okay, they can be velvets. They have different finishes. So this month's bag is this pretty gold satin bag. I love bags like these because they can be repurposed and used for different things. And inside of the bag, if I can open it, inside the bag, I have my 3 lippies here. Here we go. Okay. And the packaging is really pretty. As you can see, it has these really pretty mauve pink tops. These really pretty mauve pink tops. And the containers themselves are frosted plastic. It has the names of the products on the bottom, of course, which is standard. And then on the packaging is also written this pretty mauve, shiny mauve font, and it has Glam Kiss Me, okay? So the packaging is really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the lip swatches. So stick around.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha, ha. Oh, na, na. Bum, 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 boy. Oh, na, na. Na, 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 na. Oh, na, na. Bum, 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 boy. Oh, na, na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on show. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, you're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, you're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, something me pay or chichi. She looking very.
Alright guys, so those are the swatches of the lippies. As you can see, they went on really, really nicely. They're very pigmented. The formulas that I have in this month's subscription do dry down matte. The only one that I have some issues with is this one that I have on right now. I don't know. It seemed like it was giving me a kind of a hard time. It's a little patchy. And I had to really like layer it on, and I'm kind of disappointed because this is the one that I was most excited about. This bright, beautiful orange color. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's breaking up on me. So maybe my lips just have gone through some things today, and it's not, yeah. And so I'm going to try this one again just by applying it differently with the different products underneath it. Maybe that'll help, or maybe with an orange lip liner all over my lips and then put that orange lippy on top of it. I think that'll be really pretty. But yeah, so pretty much that's it. I think it is a great way to build your liquid lipstick collection if you are just getting into makeup, and even if you're not just getting into makeup, if you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup hoarder, makeup lover like myself, then this is a great way to add to your collection without having to go out and purchase. I love the formula, like I seriously do. Now I was sent this product to review for you guys on my channel, but I'm actually going to go ahead and sign up for the subscription myself. That's how much I like these liquid lipsticks. There is a YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Nisha. The name of her makeup channel is Makeup by Nisha. I'll put it in the description box below, a link to her channel. She has been subscribed to this beauty subscription for quite some time, and she always shares on her channel videos about these lippies. So if you want to see more lippies, what varieties, what colors they've come out with, so you can, you know, decide if you want to subscribe to it, definitely go and check out her channel, you know, just to further inform yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget that coupon code so you can get your free lipstick, girl. My baby crying. I know you can hear in the background, so I gotta go. Remember, you're perfectly imperfect. Love all of you because God does, and so do I. Y'all be blessed.